So hi guys, in this video I have a replica of Apple AirPods. As you can see, it is i12 model. So let's see on the back its features. It has 2 to 3 hours battery life and charging time 40 minutes, and it also mentioned that it has a lightning port for charging. So let's open this. Well, it's come in a sealed package, but I already opened it. So as you can see, it is the unit, and it is very compact, and quality wise is okay. I bought this from AliExpress around 700 rupees. So it has a lightning port for charging, and let's say, do we have a cable? Oh, we have a lightning cable, lightning to USB. Wow, that's awesome. And a user manual, which is no use I think of. So I used this for some time, and sound quality wise it's okay, not so great, but it's okay. So it has a feature when you open this tab, it will connect to your phone. So it's a good feature, and it has some gesture on the AirPods. So overall it's a good product for show off. It's not work like an AirPod. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys see in next video.